pretty awesome. I'm loving it.
I'm just gonna fall on Monday, so.
Yeah. Back seats are nice too.
Yeah, they're big.
A lot of room, yeah.
But it's a small car, it's pretty damn good.
Yeah, it is. Let me clean the mirror. Woo!
I'll tell you what though, I gotta get an air freshener.
Yeah, no kidding. It smells like Channel 94.5. Fuck that.
Clubs of America.
Red Sox everywhere.
Oh God.
Breathe. Angus.
Up and gave her a
Oh yeah, that's my jam. I don't even know this song. Alright. This is cool, I like this.
Travis Beer and UFC at Travis Lee.
The fuck? I don't want commercials. Yeah, let's program it. There you go. Channel 5. Right, that's WAF on a 7.3. What the F? Give me a song. We need a first car song. Whoa. That should be good.
Should be good.
Like something really retarded. Put the window up.
Xfinity for the best and on demand. You can watch on TV or online, including hit movies and the latest TV shows. Even past seasons of last night's episode. Satellite can't match that. Switch to Xfinity and get the starter acceptable plan for $99 a month.
It's my car! It's beautiful lighting out too.
Xfinity today. Offer at 6/20/10. Restrictions apply. Residential customers only. After much of the regular rates apply. And installation taxes, franchise and phone fees extra. Visit Comcast.com for details. For the last 75 years.
Oh my god, these commercials are ridiculous.
Giving us one
Did you see the
story after another.
Like what?
From Seabiscuits.
No. No.
I think that's gonna be like, oh my god, what the fuck?
Definitely. It's gonna friggin' freak.
Here's from
No. No, that sounds retarded.
Vibrate, vibrate.
Oh my god, this plays MP3s. That means
Yeah. That means all your
CDs.
will work.
sell you anything.
Oh my
I'm
god!
not selling, I'm buying. We thought we were really smart this past winter and bought hundreds of used Harleys in anticipation of a strong selling season. Boy, did we screw up. We retailed
Damn it,
almost
I should've
400
brought my
Harleys in the
CDs.
first quarter, and now we need product.
Do you have those
So here it is.
sample
All
CDs?
vertical turtles
Oh,
and
yeah.
cash. You know, like GoTurners.com.
Try it
For
out.
the next 30 days, you can turn your Harley into cash. The used Harley business is hot, and we need an
cash on the spot. Don't lose value by trading your motorcycle with your local Harley dealer. Take the cash from us and go buy a new one. Clean sale. We're serious and we're paying to prove it. For the next 30 days, it's cash for Harley. Only in Manchester and Nashville Harley Davidson and tax-free.
What the fuck is this? What? Type O negative.
C.
I think it's supposed to like for the Scions. They have awesome. You can choose from 3 different stereos.
Oh really?
That's why.
Oh yeah. I'm stopping this shit.